Sanbonani, molweni, hello, abusheni, dumelang. What other language that I didn't say? Anyway, sanbonani, molweni betunana. Today we are recapping a movie. Since ikumgqibelo, it's a Saturday, it's a beautiful Saturday. I guess Saturdays we all watch movies, guys. We're all watching movies. We are all watching movies, guys. And do you remember this movie? I think it was in 2006, 2007, 2008, Ibile, if I'm not mistaken. But around those years, I don't even remember. I think it was released in 2006. This movie, guys, I didn't think it was like an acted movie. Now, look, guy. Niyamkhumbula uJaguar Paul, owa-actor ku-movie i-Apocalyptos. Am I saying it right? Guys? We can see, if those who remember, those who watched it, if you haven't watched this movie, for you to understand the part 2 of this movie, please go and watch part 1. Go and watch part 1. Get to know the journey of uJaguar. uJaguar was a very good hunter. He was a magnificent hunter, uJaguar. So uJaguar were living in their small Nyana village with his family, with his tribe there. Everything was good. And then kwafika lo yena nimbona hey, these people, guys. And when I remember that movie, I remember cheerleading up for uJaguar. I'm like, run, hide, they are coming. Guys, this movie was so emotional. It was so emotional. And the cruelty in this movie, guys, babona. This tribe is called Imiyani tribe. So bona kahle they were using human beings as sacrifices, guys. This movie, it was intense yet beautiful. Nkosi yami uJaguar wami. uJaguar Paul wami, nkosi yami. So uJaguar was staying. You can see this was the son of the king of Miyani tribe. These ones were the people that were eating human beings. It is not necessarily a horror movie. It's not a horror movie. Is it under horror? I don't think so. And then this little boy was coming to Jaguar's dreams, warning Jaguar kubana run. All the time Jaguar will have dreams with this boy warning him to run. So you can see this is where Jaguar stayed with his tribe, with his wife, his family, his mom, and so Lana, we can see them. They were starting afresh. Lana, they were kept. You can see they had such beautiful women that they had there, guys. And then Lona, he was the prince, the spoiled prince of Miyani tribe. You can see here it was a tribe Yabo Jaguar, and these guys that looked like this, they were Miyani tribes as well. This was the king of Miyani tribes. Heartless, this king. Like, they'll rip open your chest and literally take your liver, guys, and bright they will eat your liver whilst you're looking at them. That's how cruel they were. Guys. This movie, it was so emotional. Apocalypto. I need to practice this word and say it properly. But I'm sure all of you guys will assist me with all of that. But this movie was such a beautiful movie. I don't think I've ever watched such a magnificent movie more than this one. So part 2 is coming. This one is a trailer of part 2 movie Apocalypto. So part 2 is coming and iqalela apho eyagqibela khona. It's going to start where it ended, guys. And if you remember correctly, at the end of that movie, they were like white people. Remember, these tribes, they were like black, Caucasian, people. So they were like white people that landed at the shore of the village of Abojagwa, looking like those white people. They had come there to like do some research and so this is where it's going to start now. So now this movie is going to be mixed with the white people that just got to that in that village. Ukubana bebezofuna ntoni, we will see when the movie is out. We will see, but we can see ukubana with the trailers ukubana now they will get to fight again, which means white people, they come there and they might have realized ukubana there is minerals and stuff like that. So now it was white people against these tribes now that saying ukubana, why are these people coming to take over our land? So let's see ukubana what does part 2 of Apocalypto brings us, guys. I can't wait to watch a full movie of it. I can't wait to watch a full movie of it, guys. I am giving you plugs. I know it's been years, guys, and it's been years. It's been so many years. Like, it's been so many years. I honestly think I watched this movie in 2007, 8, if I'm not mistakenly. I was in high school, I think. But yeah, it was around about those times. I watched that movie on a CD. On a CD, guys. I remember like we had to buy those CDs. You find sometimes ama CD, they've got scratches and you can't properly watch, or you can watch it once. The next time you want to watch it, the disc is no longer playing. Hey, hi. Let's hope I'm talking to the right people that watched movies kuma disc, not VCRs, not those ones, but kuma CD. Not cassettes, guys, not cassettes. CDs. We're watching movies on CDs. Indaba zama YouTube na. That time we did not have YouTube. Yo, I feel so ancient, guys. I feel so ancient. Imagine back then we didn't even have like proper phones to watch something. Yo, it's been years. It's been years, guys, but I cannot wait to watch this movie. I can't wait. Like, I am waiting for it. I am waiting for it. At the moment it comes out, I am definitely going to watch this movie. And if I go and watch this movie, guys, I am going to come back with my review. Ukbana, was it as good as the first one? Oh, the first one, they killed it. The first one, that movie, it was so unbelievable, guys. It was, and to me, I think watching it back then, I thought it was like, I didn't think it was an acted movie. I thought it was like a documentary of something that actually happened, of something that was like actually happening as they were filming it, because it was too good to be. Yeah, this director, Mel Gibson, he's such a good director and producer. Like, it was perfect, guys. And let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.